Hey guys, it's Ben, and this is my garbage picked Keurig coffee maker. Now right now it's pretty gross because it just came fresh out of the dumpster with, of course, the original box. And I actually plugged it in and it turns on. Ridiculous. I just filled it up with water. There's no cups in there, so I just wanted to see if it'll just pour some hot water first. So I'll try it with this glass, because without a Keurig cup the thing just splatters everywhere. So I'm going to go for just a small coffee. And look at that. The water level goes down. And it pours hot water. Look at that. Free out of the dumpster. Nothing wrong with it. It's ridiculous. And it stops where it should be. It turns off. And that's it. And just to prove it to you, it is actually working with hot water. Look at this. It's a snow pile. Actually, I'll put it in a little more brighter perspective. Look at that. It goes right through the snow. Unbelievable. Crazy, crazy. So what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to clean it up a bit, put some vinegar, and then run some vinegar through. And then Windex the outsides, the insides, and stuff like that, and put it on Craigslist. Free $50. Unbelievable. That's why I like to garbage pick.